Here we're going to look at multiplying and dividing decimals by powers of 10. So we're going to start by considering 45.328. If we multiply by 10, we make the number larger. The number moves one place to the left. The decimal point remains stationary. So like this. So let's just consider that. 45.328. We've multiplied it by 10. So the number moves this way, but the decimal point, of course, remains stationary. So if the number moves one place this way, the 3 will now be in front of the decimal point, and the 2 shuffles up so it's next to the decimal point, and the 8 goes to there. The number moves as many places as the number of zeros in the power of 10. So here everything moved one place, but if we'd multiplied by 100, because there's 2 zeros, it would have moved 2 places. Now I've got an example here where we've multiplied by 1,000 and the numbers moved 3 places to the left, and so the 8 is now in the units column. Now it's actually the number that moves, but in practice it's easier to think of the decimal point moving. So when we do that 45.328 times 1,000, it's easier to think of the decimal point moving. Now, I don't like to say to students it moves left, or when we're dividing it moves right. I like to think of the number getting bigger. And if 45.328 is going to get bigger, for that to happen, the decimal point needs to move over to the right. But think about the number becoming bigger, and then you'll get the decimal point to go in the right direction. When we divide by a power of 10, the process is the same, but we want the number to become smaller. If we divide by 10, the number will become smaller.